Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then hi, I'm Chikon Dotto. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you my Amazon haul of Western Indian top which I recently purchased from their Great Indian Festive Sale part 2. Part 1 is already uploaded in my channel, and if you just missed that video, do watch it after watching this one. I will provide the link of part 1 in my description box below. Please do check that out. And all of the top will be under 500, so it will be a super affordable haul. So without wasting much time, let's quickly jump into the video. Here I am sharing with you all the western tops, and in part 1 I shared all the ethnic tops. This top is from the brand Fashion to Wear. The price of this top is 699 rupees and I paid 349 for this top, and my size in this top is large. There are 5 different colors to choose from and I choose this navy blue color. Material is crepe and there is a net detailing at the neck. It's a V-neck top with regular sleeves and the material is super soft, super comfortable. Here I am pairing this top with this navy blue jeans. You can pair it with black jeans. It goes well with both. In apps it mentioned that it's a crop top, but it's not a crop top, it's a regular top. It's perfect for any casual wear and any college wears can try this one. You can tuck in the top like this and you can create this style, or you can wear the top as it is. It's up to you. I always prefer to tuck in the top. It always gives a smart look. You can try this style at my recommendation. This top is from the brand Max and the price of this top is 349 rupees. There is no discount of this top and I buy it at this price only. I like the color and the pattern, every single thing. There are 3 different colors to choose from and I choose this color. This is a wine color. Here I am pairing this top with blue jeans and you can pair it with black jeans also. This top goes well with both the color. The material is cotton. It's so much comfortable to wear this top. Max is a trusted brand, so you can easily trust this brand. And I think this color will not fade out. And if you guys want a after wash review, then do comment me in the comment section below. I will love to do after wash review. And if you guys have any query about anything, then do comment me in the comment section below. I will love to reply each and every question of yours, and I will provide the details of all the tops in my description box below. Please do check my description box. This top is also from the brand Max and the price of this top is 349 rupees. There is no discount on this brand and I bought it at 349 rupees only. The material is cotton and is so much comfortable to wear all the day and night. It's a super comfortable fabric. This top has tie-up neck and you can tie up this top with this tassel, and it's a regular sleeves with net detailing, and there is print all over the top at the front and at the back. And I paired this top with this denim jeans and you can pair it with black jeans or white jeans. It goes well with both the color. This top is from the brand Hadpa and I have lots of product from this brand and I love this brand from the beginning. The price of this top is 1199 rupees and I got it at offer price of 314 rupees. There are 4 different colors to choose from and I choose this mustard color. My size in this top is large. This top has white vertical stripe all over it, and there is a trick that if you wear vertical stripe pattern top or check pattern top, it will always give a slim and tall effect. In this haul I am sharing with you 3 more different check pattern stripe pattern top. I always have a tendency to buy stripe pattern check pattern top. Material is 100% polyester. This top has V-neck and full sleeves. Here I am pairing this top with the dark blue jeans. You can try black jeans or white jeans. This top goes well with both the color. This top is from the brand Generic and I tried this brand for the first time. The price of this top is 599 rupees and I bought it at offer price of 190 rupees, and my size in this top is large. There are 9-10 different color and pattern to choose from and I choose this check pattern. The material is crepe and it's so much comfortable and soft fabric. This top is perfect for any casual wear or any beach wear. It gives a very stylish look. Here I am pairing this top with black jeans and black high heels. You can try sneaker also. This top has board neck, 3/4 sleeves, and this top is super affordable. There are lots of other haul video in my channel, and I will provide the link of all my haul videos in my description box below and in the I button. Please do check my description box and I button for that videos. This top is also from the brand Max and the price of this top is 399 rupees, and I bought it at this price only. My size in this top is large. There are 3 different color and pattern to choose from, and I choose this red and navy blue horizontal stripe pattern, and I am pairing this top with this dark blue jeans. You can try black jeans or white jeans, and I try black high heels with this top. You can try sneakers also. Material is 100% cotton and the fabric is super duper comfortable. You can wear this top throughout the day and night. College goers can definitely try this top, and this top is my favorite top from this haul. This top is perfect for any casual occasion or any hangout with friends. This top has round neck and 3/4 sleeves. It has 3 wooden buttons on both the shoulders, and this top is a very smart top. You can definitely try this top at my recommendation. This top is also from the brand Harpa. The price of this top is 1199 rupees, and I paid 314 rupees for this top. My size in this top is large. In apps it looks so dull, but in real it's so much vibrant. The color is cream and the material is 100% polyester. It has 3/4 sleeves, round neck, and it has floral print all over the top, at the back and at the front. This top is perfect for any casual wear or any beach party. This top is also from the brand Harpa, and the price of this top is 1199 rupees, and I paid 479 rupees for this top. My size in this top is large. Material is 100% polyester. This top has round neck and full sleeves. This top has this ruffle detailing at the front, and this check pattern looks so smart. Here I am pairing this top with the dark blue jeans. You can try black jeans or white jeans. This top goes well with both the colors. I am wearing black heels. You can try sneakers or boot to create different looks. This top is perfect for any casual wear, or you can carry this top to hang out with friends. This top is super duper comfortable to wear throughout the day. Now that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, then do give it a big fat thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Do it now and press the bell notification next to it so that you will never miss any of my updates. You can also follow me on my Facebook page and my Instagram ID, and I will provide the details of all my internet handles in my description box below. Please do check that out, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day. Tada.